Praise the Lord. I want to share a verse with you. Psalms 127:1. Unless the Lord builds the house, those who build it labor in vain. Unless the Lord guards the city, the guards keep watch in vain. Very powerful verse, my friends. This is for if you want to construct a house, if you want to renovate a house, if you want to do changes to your house. So this is a very, very powerful verse. Go on reciting it. It's very powerful. If you feel there are obstacles in getting your house constructed, if there is an issue, not for buying a house but for construction of a house or for renovating or making changes, very, very powerful verse, my dear friends. Go and recite. Claiming is very important. Claim and recite, claim and recite. Go on reciting it throughout the day, every day, and the Lord will build your house for you. Thank you for listening to me. Praise the Lord.